Hanoi vodka production begins with high-quality grains such as rice or wheat sourced from certified suppliers. These certified grains ensure the superior quality of our final product. Hanoi vodka grains are inspected for moisture content, purity, and absence of contaminants. A moisture analyzer ensures optimal firm size uniformities, no contaminants are present. Hanoi vodka's purified water undergoes a rigorous multi-stage filtration process. The water is then tested to ensure it meets the highest distillation standards. Pure water you can trust.
Receive the new batch of Hanoi Vodka distiller's yeast. Pouring for fermentation efficiency test. Initial readings confirm high efficiency.
Hanoi vodka's enzymes for starch conversion are stored under controlled conditions. These specialized enzymes are essential for breaking down starches. Precise storage ensures their vodka production efficacy.
Starting the pre-production cleaning on this tank. Rinsing the interior surfaces now. Sanitation complete. This tank is ready for production. Checking the distillation column for residue. Interior trays look spotless. Shell is clean, no scale buildup. All systems are clean, ready for operation. Here's the carbon delivery for quality check.
Thank you. I'll weigh and analyze it now. Weight is exact at 10 grams. Particle size distribution is perfect.
Hanoi vodka bottles arrive on the production line. The glass is clear and the embossing is precise. Caps and labels are delivered for inspection. Approved. Hanoi vodka production begins only after all raw materials pass quality control approval. These samples meet our purity standards. Approved for production.
Starting the process now.
Hanoi vodka grains are cleaned to remove dust and foreign particles. Hanoi vodka cleaned grains are milled into fine meal to increase surface area. This maximizes the area for enzymes, optimizing the fermentation process spirit with enhanced flavor. Hanoi vodka enzymes are added to convert starch into fermentable sugars. Hanoi vodka mash temperature is carefully controlled for optimal sugar conversion.
The temperature is now 65 degrees Celsius. Perfect for sugar conversion. The mash is cooling now. We need to get it down to about 30 degrees. It's at 98 degrees, stirring to bring the temperature down. Perfect. It's 30 degrees. Now it's ready for the yeast.
Hanoi vodka yeast is pitched into the mash to begin fermentation. The mixture is now beginning to ferment. In a Hanoi distillery, a worker monitors fermentation progress. He draws a sample to test with a hydrometer. The reading indicates rising alcohol content. He logs the data, tracking the batch's development. Sugar conversion is complete, drawing a sample for the final gravity check. Final reading is 0.995. We're ready for distillation. Hanoi vodka fermentation converts sugars into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This natural process creates the alcohol and effervescence in the liquid. The chemical equation shows the molecular transformation. The fermented mash reaches optimal alcohol concentration before distillation.
40%, optimal, ready for distillation.
Distillation separates ethanol from water and impurities through vaporization. The mixture is heated, causing the more volatile ethanol to vaporize first. Vapors rise through the column, where impurities are separated. Hanoi vodka's multiple distillation stages refine alcohol purity to high levels. The process begins with fermented liquid entering the first column. The final product achieves exceptional clarity and strength. Now, we'll collect a precise sample of Hanoi vodka. This is transferred to the cuvette for analysis. The spectrophotometer confirms its composition. Hanoi vodka undergoes activated carbon filtration for smoothness. Impurities are removed as the spirit flows through the carbon. The result is a premium, smooth vodka. High-proof Hanoi vodka spirit is precisely diluted with purified water. The liquids blend thoroughly in the mixing tank. The diluted spirit is then transferred to the bottling carousel, ready for bottling.
Pouring the sample for testing. Inserting probe to measure density and alcohol. Results confirm 40% alcohol content, UV spacious, clean purity. Chemical analysis complete. Purity and ethanol levels are optimal. Pouring sample for sensory check. Sensory evaluation passed. The final liquid is approved.
Hanoi Vodka bottles are sealed with tamper-evident caps. This ensures the product's integrity from our facility to your hands. Trust Hanoi Vodka for quality and security. Hanoi Vodka finished pallets are stored in licensed warehouses. The storage process ensures product integrity,
This batch is secured for distribution.
maintaining brand quality at every stage. Hanoi Vodka inventory is tracked under regulated alcohol distribution systems. Scanning complete, updating the system. Real-time logging ensures accurate stock levels and regulatory compliance.
Pallet secure. Let's check the manifest. All quantities match. Good to go.
Hanoi Vodka distribution follows national alcohol control regulations. Our processes ensure safe and compliant logistics. From bottling to delivery, every step in safety are our priorities. Hanoi Vodka products are delivered daily to retail stores and hospitality venues. Our reliable service ensures fresh stock is always available for customers. Hanoi Vodka export batches comply with international beverage standards. Advanced technology and rigorous testing ensure every quality and consistency worldwide. Storing these Hanoi Vodka retention samples for quality monitoring. Logging the batch and date to track shelf life. Placing them in controlled storage now.
Our system treats Hanoi Vodka's wastewater responsibly. We monitor the process to ensure clean water output and convert residues into clean biogas energy.
Hanoi Vodka, crafted in the heart of Vietnam, every drop in skill of our master artisans. Distilled for unparalleled purity and smoothness. Experience the taste of excellence.